I don't often do current event type videos because diabetes management doesn't change. So when I do a video on can I eat watermelon or discussing your doctor's recommendations for insulin therapy, my advice probably won't change next year or in 10 years. But these times are different. I talked about the novel coronavirus last week, and since then, many of us, maybe most of us, are experiencing literally never before seen restrictions on our activities. Right now, at least 4 states have issued stay home orders, and in many places, social outlets are closed. Restaurants, bars, sporting events, parades. This is a lot to process, and I know some of you have an even heavier weight, a loss of income for an uncertain period of time. All I can say is that these actions are the best hope for bringing the quickest end to this epidemic. And let's all hope our government makes this hardship much easier for you. Reducing stress is one of the messages I constantly give about diabetes management that never changes. Today, I'll give you a few options they may help you reduce your stress and can help fill the free time we all have now and will definitely improve your diabetes management. By the way, this is Addie, our newly adopted Springer Spaniel. We've been on the adoption list for several months, but I have to say the timing was perfect. Getting to know a new pet is not generally one of my standard recommendations, but Addie is definitely helping reduce our stress here. Exercise is a standard recommendation, and I'm glad the weather is improving. I've been riding my bicycle every day, enjoying the peacefulness, and we've been getting ready to plant our vegetable garden. We still have a lot of exercise left to turn over the soil and plant the seedlings we've sprouted already. Exercise is both a stress reliever and a huge benefit to blood sugar management, and it could help you too. I'll leave you with one more suggestion. Cook. Some restaurants are closed and we want to stay away from crowds anyway. Cooking is both a stress reliever and a huge benefit to blood sugar management. We've been doing diabetes-friendly recipes right here on my channel for 10 years. No skill necessary, no special ingredients. Keep yourself and family safe. And make sure to check out our favorite recipes playlist for these. Apple and walnut salad, Asian shrimp and tofu stir fry, chicken and pasta stew, baked polenta with wild mushrooms, balsamic tomatoes with spinach, a banana milkshake, beets, sweet and sour breakfast casserole, a broccoli and cheese omelet, eggplant lasagna recipe comes easy beef fajitas, make my egg muffin, fancy fruit salad, green beans with roasted red pepper, grilled grouper with fruit salsa, grilled pear, brie, and walnut quesadilla. Lentil loaf is just what you would think. Marlene's light as a feather zucchini casserole, North African sweet couscous with almonds and pistachios, panko chicken tenders, polenta lasagna, portobello mushrooms, broccoli, and white beans. Today we're preparing roasted Brussels sprouts, sautéed cabbage, onions, and apples, shrimp lettuce wraps, snow peas with garlic and ginger, Southwest corn with chipotle peppers, shrimp salad rolls, hot spinach and artichoke dip, spinach with pine nuts and raisins, sweet and spicy chocolate bites, teriyaki salmon kebabs, Thai fish cakes, unstuffed cabbage casserole. Today's dish is zucchini provençal,